Alright, just got home. Here's where it's raining in the hallway. You can hear me stepping in the water because my carpet is fucking soaked. This shit is getting old. I don't know what the hell is leaking, but my whole carpet is soaked. It is dripping down the wall. Let's see, the pool in here again. Yep. Lovely. And it's even dripping right down here. I can't really see. That's what's in the pan just since I've been here, and I found more shit back here. All this back here is wet. Can't really see, but the sheetrock is wet right here, and it's starting to bubble out at the top. Like I said, it's raining in my whole damn apartment. They're going to go drain the guy's water heater upstairs right now. I still can't really see. Maybe because my battery's about to die. Let's go to the hallway closet. This has accumulated, and I just set the pan down 3 minutes ago. Hear me splashing in the water still. See, there's water running all down the back of this wall. It's even, oh my jeez, it's even dripping in here. There's a puddle. Yeah, I think I could strangle the people upstairs right about now.